Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about while installing the Nvidia GeForce experience, you got an error, Nvidia installer cannot continue. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I recommend if you are using any kind of VPN, go ahead and turn it off and then try to install it. Nextly, right click on Start menu and choose the option Device Manager. From here, you need to expand your display adapter. Right click on your GPU and choose the option Disable Device. Once you choose the option Disable, your screen will goes blank for few seconds and then turn it on. After your screen come back, again right click on your GPU and this time you will find the option of Enable Device. So choose the option Enable Device and then try to install the GeForce experience. And thirdly is, when you open up your browser, download this Nvidia app. Download it. Once it is downloaded, try to install it, and at the time of installation, you need to simply follow the on-screen instructions and make sure you check mark the option. Make sure you want the updater to remove old firmware and install new one. After checking mark this particular option, it will go ahead and install it and fix out the issue of Nvidia installer cannot continue. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the second step. In second step, head over to this PC. First of all, click on this View tab. Choose the option Show and check mark the option Hidden Files so that it will open or it will show the hidden files and folders. Then open C drive and here find a folder with the name Program Data. Open Program Data and here find a folder with the name Nvidia Corporation. Open it. Right in this Nvidia Corporation, you will find a folder with the name Downloader. Open the downloaded folder and then you will find a file with random numbers. For example, 0A, 0D, BB, 26. I mean, a file with random numbers is available. So you need to double click on the most recent file, and as soon as you run it, this will go ahead and install your Nvidia Corporation and in turn fix out the issue of Nvidia installer cannot continue. If both methods doesn't help you fix out the issue, in next step, open up your browser and first of all you need to download this DDU. Scroll down and download its portable version. I'll share the link of this site in the description of this video. Once it is downloaded, double click to open the 7G folder into a system and click on the option Extract. Now double click on extracted folder and here the files available. Now before starting, I highly recommend to restart your system into the safe mode. After restarting the system into the safe mode, right click on DDU and choose the option Run as Administrator. Once it is started, from a drop down list, choose the option GPU and from a drop down list, here choose the option as Nvidia and then click on the option Clean and Restart. This will completely uninstall the Nvidia drivers present in your system. After uninstalling, your system restart and after restarting, launch your Nvidia app and this will completely fix out the issue of Nvidia installer cannot continue. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.